Hello and welcome back to this video tutorial series on using Spaza Commerce. In this episode, we will be talking about the About page section in your admin control panel. So if you haven't done so yet, just head on over to www.spaza.co, sign in and choose the store that you'd like to work on, and we can get started. If you have missed any of our other videos in this series, definitely go check those out just so that you're up to speed on everything that we've done to set up our demo store up until now. But if you're happy and you're ready to go, just click on the About page link in the admin navigation drawer just to take you through to the About page settings section. Now, to give you an idea of where this content will appear in your store itself, it's actually really straightforward, and I'm sure you've figured it out if you've been watching our other videos. Just click on the Visit Your Store link here on the left in your admin control panel navigation, and that will open up a new tab where you can see your store. Then right at the top, you will see an About link. You can just click on that, and that will take you through to your About Us page. So without filling in anything, this will just be the generic message on this page, and you'll see that there's also a Contact Us link, so that will take you through to the contact page as well. So just looking at the About Us page really quickly, let's say we want to change this content, and that's exactly what we're going to look at now. So head on over back to the admin control panel where you can see the About Us page, and it's just a very, very simple case of adding some content into this text area over here. So as an example, I'm just going to add a couple of sentences. Welcome to my online store. This is a simple demo. Hopefully you can see this on the About Us page. Amazing. So once you've filled in whatever you'd like over there, we're just going to hit Save Page Settings. And then once that is saved, we can go back to our store by just clicking on that tab over there. I'm just going to hit refresh, and then you'll see the contents actually coming through straight away. So really, really straightforward. Let's say I just wanted to remove some of the spacing there. All I need to do is just come on over back to the editor. I'll just remove that gap. I'm just going to hit save again. And then when it's styled and looking good on the About Us page, you'll see there that that actually looks a bit better. Okay, great. So you're free to add in any content that you'd like in here. But now what happens if you want to add an image? Well, that's also very, very easy. So if you haven't seen it yet, here on the left is an available images section. To add an image, much like you add images for your products, we're just going to click on that button. We can choose an image. Let's say I choose this one again. I know I used that on my homepage slide, but let's just use it for the About page as well. I'll just select it. I'll click open. And then once it's actually uploaded for us, we have the option to then use it. So I'm just going to now click use, and you'll see there it actually gets added to this content area for me as well. Very, very straightforward. Let's hit save so we can have a look at how this looks. Head on over to the About page on the store side again, refresh, and there you go. You can see the image coming through there perfectly. So that's really it. Very, very simple, very straightforward. You can add whatever you like to this page. You can obviously change the text formatting as well. So if you do select, maybe I want to make this a heading, we can just do that. We'll hit save. You're also able to add links to the text. So if you do want to link to any other pages or any other content you might have, you're more than welcome to do that as well. Very, very easy episode. But I do hope this helped and answered any questions you might have. But if you have any further questions or any other comments or concerns, please, as always, leave those at the bottom underneath this video in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.